Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to find YouTube Music Recap. So let's get started. So now here we are in our App Store because the first thing that we're going to do is to make sure that our YouTube or YouTube Music app is updated. So in my case, I have already updated them so you can get your YouTube Music Recap in each of these platforms. It doesn't matter which one you choose, you can still get the YouTube Music Recap. So first is the YouTube. So let's tap on open right here, open YouTube, and all you have to do is tap here on your profile on the bottom right of your screen as soon as you open YouTube, and then you'll be here on your profile, and from here you can tap here on your YouTube Music Recap is here, as you can see right here. So all you have to do is tap on that, and then you would now be able to view your YouTube Music Recap. And another method is by going to the YouTube Music app itself. So you can go into the app. So in my case, I'll just go here, YouTube Music, and it's here. As soon as you open it, you should have this prompt right here to get your recap. So all you have to do is tap on this button. And if you're not seeing this, chances are that you are not using YouTube Music often, or you haven't updated the app to the latest version. So make sure it's updated. And yeah, that is how you can find your YouTube Music Recap. Thank you for watching.